Okay, on the layers, click the place photo here. You guys want to make sure that the show transform controls is clicked and pull over your picture. So you want to make sure it's like linked, so when you're sizing it, the ratio stays the same. If it's not linked where I showed you, you can also just hold shift. But size it and crop it how you want. And then that's it. So that's pretty much all it. I have that little Twitter view, so you can see what it's gonna look like when you post it. But you're gonna want to hide that and that other one. And then when you crop it, you're just gonna crop it on those inside lines. Boop. So it's on the inside box. Then save that as the first one. File, save as Twitter 1, save as a JPEG, make sure large file, okay, cool. Then Control Z, Command Z, and then crop tool again, click it, and you're just gonna crop that top right one now, save it, do the bottom left one, save it, do the bottom right one, save it. That's number 4. Then I'm gonna send that to myself. Desktop is a mess. Then when you're posting it, you're gonna click it 1, 2, 3, 4. So top left, then top right, then bottom left, bottom right. I did that wrong. You can see here when you scroll, you'll be like, oh yeah, top left, top right. Then it should be bottom left, bottom right. It's not, so I had to redo that. Top left, top right, and now bottom left, bottom right. You'll see here if it looks good. Yep, we're good to go. So then send it, and that's what it looks like. Freaking peeping. So I did another one where I wanted to like kind of the collage idea. So I set it up and erased the edges. Made a little collage. My little head was sticking up out of there a little bit. Hair's tricky. And then what I want to do is like, you know when you click the photo and it like slides left to right? So it'd have top left, top right, then the bottom left. I want to connect that top right one with the bottom left one. And so I just cropped it so they could see it, then took the polygon tool and just selected that box right there. Control X, Command X'd it. I had to rasterize it first, so I took the eraser, but then I did Command X. I cropped it back to how it was. Then I pasted it. Pasted it and put it right there. That way when you're scrolling, hopefully there'll be like some connect from the second to the third photo. Cool. So then just saved all of them. And yeah, looks pretty good. Except when it is in the slide view, the spaces are a little bit bigger, but not a whole lot, so you kind of got away with it. My arm looks a little long there, but